Welcome to the channel. Today, we're looking at the Kasa Smart Video Doorbell and Security Camera Bundle. This amazing bundle offers a comprehensive home security solution. The Kasa Smart Video Doorbell boasts crystal clear 2K resolution, ensuring you see every detail, even at night thanks to its impressive night vision. A modular chime lets you place it anywhere convenient. It features two-way audio, letting you speak to visitors remotely, and integrates seamlessly with Alexa and Google Home for voice control and streaming to your smart displays. It's weatherproof, offering reliable performance rain or shine. Local and cloud storage options give you peace of mind. The included outdoor security camera also provides stunning 2K QHD video with incredible starlight night vision up to 98 feet. This camera is equipped with a motion sensor and AI-powered person detection for accurate alerts. A built-in siren adds an extra layer of deterrence. Again, it's IP65 weatherproof for all weather protection. Like the doorbell, it integrates flawlessly with Alexa and Google Home. This bundle combines a smart doorbell and a powerful outdoor security camera, offering complete home security coverage. It's available at a reasonable price and packed with features for maximum security and convenience. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews and stay tuned for future videos.